Use these three hashtags to go viral on YouTube right now as a small creator. If you're a small channel, you make videos, you don't get a lot of views and subscribers. Chances are you've not been using the right hashtags and even using it the right way to help you get more views. Let's start with the most important question. Does tags and hashtags help you get more views on YouTube? The short answer is yes, if you use it the right way, which is exactly what I'm about to show you in this video. Now, look at this short video. Almost 90,000 views. And one of the secrets to getting more views on this video is because of the tags I used. I used the right tags in the right places. I'm about to reveal exactly how to do it. Recently, YouTube introduced a new way to use tags on short videos, and a lot of small creators have not heard about it or even use it. I discovered it some days ago and I went on to implement it on my faceless channel. A faceless channel I started some days ago, and the channel is already getting 1,000 views plus on all the videos I uploaded on that channel. So I want to show you the right tags to use, how to use hashtags to get more views on your videos. And then I'm going to wrap it up with examples. In fact, I'm going to show you the tags to use for your own niche, so you don't want to miss this part. Let's get into it. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chamaka. On this particular channel, I teach you all the strategies, hacks, tips to help you get more views, more subscribers, grow and monetize your channel. So if this is the kind of thing you love, go on and subscribe so you don't miss my upcoming videos. Let's get into it because we are about to tag you to viral videos. So recently, there's been a lot of debate on whether tags are still important, whether you should use hashtags on your videos or not. So I decided to do a deep research. And here's what I found out. There are three smart ways tags and hashtags help you grow your YouTube channel, help you get more views and subscribers. First, tags help categorize your content and make it easier for people to discover your videos when they search using those hashtags. So when you use certain hashtags and people use same tags in search, your videos are definitely going to rank higher than those that did not use the tags. Secondly, tags help your videos to rank on tag page, especially if it's something new or trending. So when you make videos on trendy topic, on a new topic, and you're able to use relevant hashtags, it helps your video to rank high on the hashtag page. And finally, tags gives more SEO signal to YouTube on what the video is about. So when you apply the right tags to your video, it helps YouTube itself understand what the video is about and even who to recommend the videos to. Now you've seen three major reasons you should be using tags to get more views on your videos. Let me show you three tags you should use right now. And not only that, I'm going to show you the secret behind this number of views on this video. Almost 90,000 views. And one of the reasons that helped this video to get a lot of views is because of the tags I used. So I'm going to show you the tags I used on this video. I'm also going to show you the new way YouTube introduced how to use tags on your short videos to help you get more views. So here are the three tags. The first one is broad tags. And this is a general tag that gets YouTube to understand what the video is about in general. For example, if you search shorts, you're going to see that it has massive appeal. Let's look at it. You see shorts here. Can you see this? 255 million videos and over 26 million channels are using it. This kind of tags get a lot of attention because people are interested in it and a lot of people are using it. So if you make short videos, one of the tags you should be using is hashtag shorts. I use it in all my short videos. And as you can see here, my short videos are getting at least 1,000 views. If you are not getting a lot of views on your short videos, you need to consider using this. The second type of tags is called niche related tags. And this one is what you use to let YouTube algorithm understand what this video is about. So say for example, your video is about fitness and weight loss. Using a hashtag weight loss will help that video to be discovered. If your video is about lose 10 kg and you're able to use weight loss as a hashtag, when people search weight loss tags, because this particular tag is included in the video, your video will be discovered. That's how important it is. And the third type of tag you should be using is highly relevant video tag. And this one is a hashtag that talks about the video itself. Now, let's go back to our example of weight loss. In this example, you created a video on how to lose 10 kg in 10 days. The right hashtag will be 10 kg in 10 days. This is how the hashtag will be. If you're able to use these 3 types of hashtags on that particular video, you increase the chances of your video getting discovered. Now, let's bring it together. So if you make a video on how to lose 10 kg in 10 days, this is the kind of tag you should have in that video. With these tags, you increase the chances of your video getting discovered. Now, let's talk about the best practice to help you get more views. And that is to use one tag each for these 3 categories. At the end of the day, you're having like 3 to 4 tags. When you do this the right way, you will get more views than you used to get, because that's exactly what I did on this particular video that's helped the video to get more views. I am currently applying this on my new faceless channel, and trust me, the channel is doing so well in terms of views and subscribers. In less than 10 days, every video on that channel has gotten at least 1,000 views. So now that we've talked about the categories, let's talk about where to put these tags, because they are as important as the tags you are putting. If you are creating a short video, YouTube just introduced a new way to add tags to the video. In the past, when you upload a video, you get to the end of the title, you put the tags. You should no longer do that because it's no more working. So let's start with long videos. When you upload a long video, you should not add tags to the title of the video. That was the old way of doing it. The new way of doing it is to add it at the end of the video description. If you look at this video now, you can see what I'm talking about. At the end of the video description, you add 3 relevant tags, and you can see that I applied it here, and it's helping the video to get more views. If you're uploading a short video, in the past, we used to add it at the end of the title, but that's no longer the case. There's a new way. YouTube introduced a tag section for short videos, and that's to tell you how important this tag is. Now, let's go on and upload a video. You are done uploading a short video. You're going to see this. If you look at this, you will not see the tags at all. You will not see it here. So don't add any tags yet. What you need to do is to upload this video as unlisted and save it. After like 2 minutes, go back to the video and then you click on edit. It's going to bring you to this place. If you scroll down here, you can see the tag section right now. Now you need to go back to the video and add these tags. Again, if it's a short video, remember to add hashtag short because it helps in discovering the short. Okay, once you add it, you can now go on and save this video. This is exactly what I've been doing on my faceless channel that's helping the videos to get at least 1,000 views. Trust me, it's going to work for you too. That's basically how to add tags to your short videos. So if you upload video about weight loss, here are 3 tags to use. Lose weight fast, 10 kg in 10 days, weight loss journey. These are 3 perfect tags to use for this kind of video. Now, in the tag section, you have lose 10 kg in 10 days, how to lose weight fast, lose belly fat, rapid weight loss. This one is what you have in the tag section. So if you make videos about making money online and you want to upload a video on how to earn $1,000 in 30 days, here are well-optimized hashtags to use. Make money online, side hustle, how to make $1,000 in 30 days. These 3 hashtags will help this video to rank. Help you get more views as a small channel. In the tag section, you are going to use how to make $1,000 in 30 days, make money online 2025, earn money online, side hustle, and the rest of them. These ones are optimized for the tag section. Remember, there's a difference between hashtag and tags. So now that you've gotten the tags and hashtags right, the next thing, which is actually one of the biggest secrets to getting views on YouTube, is your title, your thumbnail, and description. You really have to take time to get this right. If you get these 3 things right and you pair it with the perfect hashtags and tags, you will start getting more views. One of the things you can do to make sure you're getting the right one would be to go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give you 3 relevant hashtags for that particular video. Just mention the title of the video, explain the niche you're playing in, and ChatGPT is going to give you perfect ones. As a small channel, don't sleep on any opportunity to get your videos pushed out there. Now, let me show you the tags I use that help this video get a lot of views. Look at this. Can you see the tags? That's exactly one of the reasons why the video is doing well. And all my videos, every video I upload on YouTube, I use tags and hashtags. Just make sure you are using the right one. And remember not to stuff it. That means you should not add as many as just anyhow. No, just add three relevant ones and then you get more views. I hope this helps. Let me know in the comment section, have you been using tags on your videos? See you in my next video.